vanishing everywhere. Lock the city down now.
It's happening everywhere.
To Hugh all along.
Where did she go? She was right here.
People are just gone.
It's like they're being pulled somewhere.
And we need to know where.
The warriors of faith who woke up in the dark and prayed.
The world stops talking.